Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to generate the images now. You are going to ask your AI to generate your image, but in another app now, in another environment, no more through our chat GPT. Is no more there now. We're going to use another environment to generate our images, those prompts that we were given there. We're going to copy them one by one, like I said, then we'll start generating our images. Now, listen, once there are so many apps, so many environments where you can generate your image, just the one you are used to. So I'm going to introduce us to the one I'm used to. You go through Chrome. When you enter Chrome, we're going to search for it there and then get it. You also just log in. That's just, or once you see it, you just look for it through your Chrome. You come, so let me just, because I already have it, I will just open it. But if you don't have it, what you need to do is you search it. So once I get it now, you see how it looks like. And then look at it, bubble map. Okay, this is not it. This is not what I'm looking for. Let's go back. This is not what I'm looking for. Okay, so let me go up again. What I'm looking for should be up somewhere. I just noticed something odd about the name. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so let's move up. Good, ideogram. I just saw it now. Ideogram. So we use our ideogram to generate our images. So it will come up now. We have to be a little bit patient until it comes up. So you are seeing the name. You just search the name through your Chrome. Once you see it, you log in. That's just all. So okay, so this is it. So these are the last images I generated. So we're going to generate. Okay, I'm coming. So let's go to this plus. Click on plus. Okay, so it said describe what you want to use. What you want to see. Look at it here. It's going to, so I click on that plus. You saw it there. So I've copied one of the prompts that was given to us by Chat GPT. So now I'm going to drop it here. Okay, look at it here. A dark African village at night, lit only by a few flickering touches. So we just say generate. Click on generate. So this is where you come to generate your images using ideogram. So it's still coming up because these ones are the old ones I have here. So it's still bringing, you see, waiting in the slow queue. So it's a little bit slow. These are the ones I've used before. The other ones you are seeing. So it's 31%. So we'll have to wait a little because my phone is a little bit slow. So wait for it to bring it up. Okay. Are we seeing what we have there? So, okay. So you select which one do you want. You look at this. Okay. You see this from what I described. Okay. If this is okay for you, download image. Are you seeing download? Okay. If you need this, it's downloaded already. If you need the second one, you just highlight. What I do is once you give me up to 3-4 pictures, I download all because I may still need it in another place. Maybe when I'm saying another thing in the story, I can still drop that image. Look at this one. This one is still okay. I can use it for one of the aspects of the story. I can use it. This is also okay. So I just pick it. It depends on what I want. So I have 4. Now that is it. So that is how you come to this place. So I want to go and copy another where I dropped my prompt for the images. I dropped it in SoftWord. So let me go there, copy the second prompts for the image and then generate. My phone is a little bit slow, so we'll have to wait a little. Okay, it's coming up. So let me copy. So I copied the first one. That was what this one, number one. So let me go with number two. A young, that is Chidi, the stubborn boy, a young African boy about 12 years old with a defiant. Okay, so let's just copy it from here. Okay, select a. Okay, okay, then we shift. Let's copy just that first line. Don't need everything. Okay, he has a short. So let me see a short what? A short unkept hair. Okay, so let me copy part of the second line. Okay, I can copy all of them and delete what I don't want. A short unkept hair. His arms are crossed and he. Okay, so let me just copy this one. So just copy. Let's go back to our ideogram. Then we generate this one. That will be all for us to learn how to generate. So we'll go back. So remember, you go to generate through this plus. Once you just say plus, it gives you the space where you can. So I'll delete this. Remember, this is the one we used that time, the first image we generated. Okay, so I delete it and then paste what I have now. Okay, it's going off. I have to delete that. Okay, so I paste what I have, but I want to reduce it. My phone is a little bit slow, so we'll have to wait a little. His arms are crossed. Okay, wow, he's going far. Let me write it again. His arms are crossed. Sorry. Okay, so we'll now say generate. Let me see. I don't know whether the prompt is too much, but if it's not too much, it will not complain. So it's generating the image. Okay, so we are going to be patient. Once you ask it to generate, you allow it to generate the image for you. So we will now use it for the story. Remember, I told you once it generates, if it gives you up to 4 images, it's better you pick all of them because you may be needing them. So are you seeing the images already? Okay, look at the images, they are clearer now. So you click on this, look at the stubborn boy that was generated for us. So this one doesn't look like Africa, but we'll just use it. You may just put it somewhere. It doesn't look like an African boy. It look like one Oyibo that is suffering. So, but we'll just use it. Okay, this one is better. Abby, this is better. Okay, so let's just download it. Let's look at this too. Okay, this one is also okay. That first one I may not use it, but I just downloaded it so that in case I need it somewhere. Okay, this one is also okay. So we have 2 images that were generated already with the prompt that we're given from where we generated our stories. Remember, that is where you will get the prompt that will help you to generate the image in ideogram. Okay, so we're going to stop here. This is how you generate your image. I'm going to do the rest because we can't do all of them here. It's getting a little bit slow. So, but from what I have done, you can generate your images through the prompt that ChatGPT gave you. You will use it to generate your image via ideogram. And ideogram, you just come to your Chrome, you search for ideogram, you just log in, and that's all. So thank you very much.